Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I want to show you how to fade out audio in Premiere Pro. So it's actually pretty simple. Just click on your track with your audio, so double click it, and it will go like this. So it will make it bigger for you to see better, and then press Command or Control if you're on Windows. So press and hold Command or Control and create these 2 points by clicking with your mouse. Now when you have these 2 points, this right point, drag all the way to this corner down. And now, as you can see, the music is fading out. You can also make the fade out longer just by dragging this point to the left. And it is fading out. Thank you guys for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.